Hey guys, today we're diving into something we all use every single day, even right now while watching this video. First things first, what is ICT and multimedia?
ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. Basically, all the tools we use to share, find, and create information. And what about multimedia? That's the magic of mixing text, audio, video, and graphics. Combine them together and boom, you've got yourself the 21st century world we live in, wherein the things we do are advanced. So why is it important? Simple, it's our lifeline. Without ICT and multimedia, there's no online learning, no TikTok, no Netflix, no instant messaging, not even Google. Imagine life without memes. Yeah, I don't want that either.
Now that we've learned about their definitions and importances, how does it help us? Firstly, in education. Online classes, tutorials, and even YouTube lessons like this one, it makes learning easier and fun. Second one is communication. We can talk to our friends and families anytime, anywhere. Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Third one is entertainment. Movies, games, music, and vlogs, literally at our fingertips. And last one, work and business. Emails, presentations, and even online shops. ICT makes works faster and business bigger. So yeah, it is basically a superhero sidekick for our daily lives.
So here are the pros and cons when using ICT. First is for the pros. It is easy to access information, makes life more convenient, connects us globally, and sparks creativity and innovation. Now for the cons, which is the bad effects of ICT. It can be addictive like a 5-hour TikTok scroll, mostly happens in teenagers. Online scams and fake news. Too much screen time means not so healthy.
See, ICT and multimedia are like double-edged swords. They can make our lives easier and more exciting. But we also need to be smart and responsible users. Use it to grow, to learn, to connect, and of course, to enjoy.
So what about you? How do you use ICT and multimedia in your daily life? Drop your answers in the comments below.
Until next time, for more fun and educational content. Stay connected, but don't forget to disconnect sometimes too.
Balance is the key for a healthy living. Bye-bye!